Took a little fine tuning to get this pan in, but I finally got it. Fits pretty good. I'm gonna start tacking it. Oh, beer, you never stop giving. I needed me some construction type paper to match the metal floor pan to the fiberglass firewall. And good old Kokanee gives me what I need to make the template to cut the steel. And this floorboard is pretty much in. And this is why we make templates out of cardboard. That was my first attempt. That's my second. This one should be a lot closer. Get it right in the cardboard and it should be near perfect with the metal. Driver's side pan is out. Just have to clean it up. Clean up the sides. Just to get an idea how dirty this job is and how nasty, I'll record a little bit of this. I just did a test fit for my seat because I had to do a bunch of modifications on this the driver's side floor pan. None of the nuts were welded in where they were supposed to be, and I had to put some patches in like this guy because that was wrong. So the seat fits, and I got this part cleared out, ready to go, so I can weld it in just like this one. I'm just about done.